What makes a landing page convert more leads? Good design can absolutely influence how users feel about a company, product, or service, and it can affect a visitor's decision whether to convert through a form, giving you their information. Here are my top 5 basic design tips for building landing pages with conversion power. Number 1, remove all navigation. Data has shown that removing navigation and links from your landing pages will increase conversion rates. We recommend you remove the top navigation, sidebar navigation, footers, social media links, anything that distracts viewers from filling out your form. Number 2, concisely list the benefits and the solution. When it comes to writing landing pages, be concise and clear. Studies show that the more words you use on a landing page, the lower the conversion rate. Reinforce why the page visitor should complete the form by presenting a bulleted list of benefits that they can easily scan, explaining how your product or service will help their problem. Additionally, only ask for vital information on the form. The more fields a user must fill out, the lower the conversion rates tend to be. Number 3, add an image that illustrates the offer. Humans respond to and better process visual data better than text. So include a reinforcing hero image in the header of your page, as well as a thumbnail of your product. Whether it's software, an ebook, or if your offer is a free consultation, or a one-on-one demo, consider including an emotion-based image that your user will attach meaning to. Number 4, add social proof. If you break your landing page up into specific sections, consider adding a row at the end for social proof. Examples of social proof are testimonials, publications that your company may have been featured in, expert endorsements, or any other social proof that demonstrates wisdom of the crowds. A row with social proof in your landing page is the final argument to demonstrate trust and reputation and can help reinforce conversion. Number 5, ensure that your page is responsive for mobile. With 49% of the world's population using mobile internet, you might think that optimizing landing pages for mobile rarely gets overlooked, but it still often ends up being an afterthought. To optimize for conversion, it's critical that your landing pages be designed to load fast and are mobile responsive. For more tips and tricks on optimizing inbound content, be sure to check out Gate 39 Media's Engine 39 blog. Thanks for joining.